Want to mute someone's Facebook stories without unfriending them? First, open the Facebook app on your phone. At the top of the home feed, locate the Stories section. Swipe through the stories and find the person you want to mute. Press and hold their story thumbnail. A menu with additional options will appear. Tap Mute Story from the list. A confirmation message will pop up on your screen. Tap Mute again to confirm your choice. And that's it. Facebook will immediately hide future stories from that person. Unmute someone on Facebook Story. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top corner. At the bottom, click Settings and Privacy. Next, select Settings from the menu. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Tap on Stories to access story settings. Look for stories you've muted and tap View next to it. You'll see a list of all the people whose stories you've muted. Find the person you want to unmute. Tap Unmute next to their name. Facebook will instantly remove them from your muted list. Their future stories will start appearing in your stories feed again. And that's it.